Sending an email on Gmail is something many people need to do, but if you're new or using a computer or laptop for the first time, it can feel confusing. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send an email on Gmail step by step using clear and simple instructions. You will learn where to click, how to write your message, and how to send it the right way. This works on any computer or laptop, and it doesn't require any special skills. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you open Google Chrome and search gmail.com. Once you open the website, go to the top left here and click here, then click on Compose that you're gonna find here. This page is supposed to appear. You can just click here to make it more clear so you can see everything you have here. This one is for who you're sending this email to, and you are supposed to have the email of who you're sending this email to. The subject is basically the title of your email that's going to appear on the top for the one who's receiving this email. This one is the body, or we're gonna say what is this email about. Here you have many options for your text. There are many fonts here if you want to choose a certain font. These ones can be perfect for titles. There are many options here that you can use here if you would like your text to be underlined. For example, like this, you see this line. This one is very interesting. This one is for the background color, and this one is for the text color. Let's say, for example, you want your background color to be red and your text color to be yellow. Once you write, you're gonna see the exact colors that you have chosen. These are not important, but you can use them if you would like to add something extra on your email. Here, if you would like to add a file from your files to your email, and here, if you would like to add a picture, for example, you can just click here, then go to upload, then click on browse. It's going to show you all the pictures that you have on your files, and you can pick there. Here for your signature, you can click on Manage Signatures here. There are many options here that you can use. Once you've done all of this, there's also another option if you would like to. You can schedule when to send your email if you are interested in that. Once you have done all of this, you can just click on send. And this is how you can send an email on Gmail. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.